Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to send a story on Instagram. Whether you want to share a friend's exciting post or send your own story to someone special, I'll walk you through the updated steps to make it seamless. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials and get ready to explore. Once you're in, you'll see your feed filled with posts from friends and accounts you follow. Next, locate the story you want to send. You can find stories at the top of your feed, represented by circular profile pictures. Simply tap on the profile picture of the person whose story you want to share. This will open their story for viewing. Now that you have the story open, look for the send icon. This icon typically resembles a paper airplane and is usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on this icon to proceed. After tapping the send icon, you'll be taken to a list of your Instagram friends and contacts. Here, you can easily select the recipients you want to share the story with. Just tap on their names or profile pictures to add them to your selection. If you'd like to send it to multiple people, feel free to choose as many as you want. If you want to make your message more personal, there's an option to write a message along with the story. Just tap on the text box that appears after selecting your recipients and type in your thoughts or comments. This is a great way to add context or simply share your excitement about the story. Once you're satisfied with your selections and any accompanying message, it's time to send it off. Simply click on the send button, and just like that, your story is shared with your chosen friends. And there you have it. Sending a story on Instagram is quick and straightforward. Whether you're sharing moments from your own life or passing along something fun from someone else, these steps will help you stay connected with your friends in no time. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.